At least 2 persons succumbed to their injuries and one seriously injured after they were brutally assaulted by armed cadres of a militant outfit suspected to be under suspension of operation in Kangpokpi district. The incident occurred yesterday evening around 6 p.m. at Modbung Bazaar. The victims were assaulted on the charges of substance abuse. The deceased have been identified as Zhang Milan of Saparmaina and Zhang Milen of Koleb village under Site 2 Gamfazol subdivision. The lifeless bodies of the deceased have been kept at Litpao Health Care Center at Modbung. The injured has been identified as Hau Min Thang, 37, son of Denkai of Thingbajang village at Site 2 Gamfazol. Since his condition became critical, Hau Min Thang has been evacuated to Manipur for treatment. Modbung has remained tense following the incident, with the public condemning the incident. Police are on high alert.